night in the ministry series was the matter that the Lord wishes to dwell in us, and that we're even the temple of God. So we see in John chapter 2 that when the Lord visited the temple, he found the temple filled with money changers and merchants selling things, selling sacrifices, doves, oxen. And what he did was he overturned the tables and he chased them all away with a cord made of rush, as the King James Version says. And rush is actually just like a simple kind of reed, a common, ordinary thing. And actually in 1 Corinthians we see that actually we are the temple of God. Do you not know that you are the temple of God and that the Spirit of God dwells in you? So in this same way, the Lord, using these rushes, these ordinary matters in our life, cleanses us from all these other things occupying our being, so that he could dwell in us and that he could make his home in our hearts.